Kane kadai ke sinong pedeng haka ba barok gibru gitip ba kane ke sinong kadon harut jong kawa umngon. Kane ke sinong kalapau nambah haka bayadei berkajing wantut jong gituris sya kane ke sinong. Te kane ke sinong kadon gi footpath gi ba itenan bad hakine gi footpath laker dagi ken jerinar habaro arliang jong kane footpath. Kajing ker yakini gi ken jerinar habaro arliang gi footpath kalong ban pensuk ya kinong wan jungok kai perthei ban poi sya kane kawa umngon lada dei kinong wan jungok kai perthei ki bampat cupoi sya kane ka sinong kane kadei kawa umngon kaba paunam bat kaba itnat hadu kata ha kaba ki turis dagi spangon ki wan ban samin harut jong kane kawa bat ha kane kawa pilayo I ladap setang deki ten sudah jong ki turis ki bawan samin kane kawa kadon ruko ga bukhoi hadu kata bat nadu nasla pila bon yo ilang baye ki dok ha ki bayalek kai syadu syatrai jong kane kawa bat harut jong kane kawa kadon ka bot kanter ka baki lade penkre na ka benta ki turis ki bakwa ban syongling bat ki turis ki bakwa ban syongling ki haban lechwa ha kane ka bot kanter bat ban siulpa haswa pakin yo ban syong ya kiling onda pila poi hakane kawa umngon pinyo I ya ka jingking ya kejat ka bajrong bat ka ba itenan hadu kata bat na jerong jong kene ke jingking pinyo I ya kiling gi baper hasla kikit ya kinong wan jong kai perthei sya bakut jong kene ka thuai kine ki pajba kadba kidang ya upline ban yo ya ka ti jingking namar hakane ke jingking ladon gi volunteer gi ban be ya ki briu ban syai tang kandian ngon shua om tang kumta hanre hakane kawa umngon udan uzip lain uba pen yesno na hasilyang jong de kawa na kamenta ki turis ki bakwa ban sno sngo bha na silyang leng ba jong une usainan
It's a nice place. I really had fun. All of us. It's a very nice place, and most importantly, the thing that I want to point out is you guys have kept this place very clean. That's the most important thing. We had really great fun. Frank, he organized the entire stay for us, and it was really top notch. Everything. Yeah. And we wish you all the best. We should do good, so that we can come again and
Thanks. Okay.